Amazon now makes more money from Amazon advertising than they do AWS.
Amazon roll out its Prime advertising.
If you have Amazon Prime, get ready to see ads with your movies and shows.
Was there some sort of evil, diabolical plan hatched years ago by Bezos and his founders to become the eventual one-stop shop for everything?
I think he's a visionary, and I think it was all according to plan. Amazon is now not only growing and getting bigger, and that's very rare these days. Most companies don't have that sort of runway, a decade of investment, and the stockholders rewarded that year after year because it was part of the vision, part of the plan. People are wondering, is Amazon topped out? No, they're gonna grow like another 20% year over year, and it's because more people are still picking up Prime memberships. It's like 82% of the United States has now got like a Prime membership, which is insane.